Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is Pandas. Pandas. This is one of the main packages we are using in current Python version. So actually, what is Pandas means? It is a software library used in Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. For example, how we can say this? We are using one database like MySQL or MongoDB. We are storing some amount of data there, but we have to connect that and we have to give all the credentials for MySQL and MongoDB. But in Pandas, we will use that table format instead of having the credential. That is, we can use this as a database, but without having any credential. This is the main use for Pandas, and this is mainly used for data manipulation. For example, if we are having bulk data and we have to do some analysis in that data means we can use Pandas there because pandas will defaultly create some table format of the data. This is what the pandas. The next thing is how to install that. Installation. So how to install that? That is nothing but we have already discussed in image processing technique itself. Pip install pandas. So by using this command, we will install that pandas. I'm just giving pip install pandas here. I think already my requirement will get satisfied. Yeah, it is collecting pandas. So it is installing here. So to install this package, we have to use pip install pandas command to install that particular package. And after that, we will discuss what are all the things we need to do or what are all the things we can create by using pandas. We are having some frames here. That is the first type is series. What is panda series means? Panda series is like a column in a table. That is, it is a column in a table. So it will say said like this, the column like a table. So it will display the whatever the data we are giving inside the series, it will display that value in the table format. And another one thing, series is a one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array. One-dimensional array. That is nothing but we can create only one array in the series. Series is one of the type to create a column in a table and it is a one-dimensional array in pandas. So we will see what are all the things we can able to do by using this series. First we need to import that. I'm just importing import pandas with the name as PD. What does that PD means? We can't able to use pandas in all of the places. So I'm just using PD instead of writing pandas there. So I'm just creating, importing pandas as PD. So I can use PD instead of writing pandas. So after that, I'm creating one variable and creating one-dimensional array that is 1, 2, 3. So this is the one-dimensional array we are having. So if we need to create one series, that is the first type in pandas. To create that, I'm just using value is equal to pd dot series. So this is the way we have to create a series. That is by using pandas, we are creating the series here. pd dot series of. After that, I'm using the variable a, pd dot series of a. So I'm just printing the value. Print value. I'm running this code. So see here, we are having 1, 2, 3 array here. So it will display 1, 2, 3 along with the index 0, 1, 2. That is in 0th index we are having 1. In first index we are having 2. And in the second index we are having 3. And it is displaying along with the data type that is the integer. So this is the basic way to create a pandas. Already we have discussed it will display the column in a table. So it will display the values in the table format. We are using series that is one-dimensional array here. So it is printing that. The first thing is we have to import the pandas After that, we have to create a one-dimensional array. After that, we have to create a series by using the variable which holds the array. So here we are having A. So PD dot series of A. Print, I am just printing that value, it will automatically create the frame, that is series frame, by using that values which we gave inside the series along with the data type integer. So this is the way to create a simple series pandas. The next thing is we can get the value by its position. For example, just I am printing value of 0. In 0th position, what value we are having here means 1. So it will print the value as 1 here. So see here, this is the way we can get the values by using its index. If I am giving 1, so it will print the value as 2 because the 2 is in the first position. So this is the one of the way to get the values by using its index position. So the next thing we are going to see in Pandas is how to create a user-defined index. Here we are having specific index that is 0, 1, 2, which is defaultly set by the Pandas. But if we need to create some other index, how we can do that means, I'm just using the same variable value, pd dot series. So here I'm just giving a comma. I'm creating the user index that is x comma y comma z. Yeah, x comma y comma z inside the square bracket. I'm just creating my own index and I'm printing that value. Print value. So I'm running this code. So see here, my new index will get changed as XYZ instead of 012. The default index created by the pandas is 012, but I'm changing that index as XYZ. To do that, we have to use index is equal to, inside the square bracket, we can give what index we need to give for our own values. This is the way we have to create our own index. Yeah, we can get the values by using this new index too. Value of, I'm just passing y. So what value y holds means 2. So it will display the value 2. Just running this code. Yeah, we will get 2 because I'm just give y here. Y holds the value which is 2. So it is printing the 2 value. This is the way we have to create our own index and we can get the values by using that new index. The next thing is we can create dictionary values. For example, if I'm giving d value here is equal to, I'm just creating one dictionary inside the pandas. Like we can give name AAA, comma, age 34, comma, location CCC. So I'm just creating a dictionary here and I'm creating series for that. That is values equal to pd dot series of d underscore value. So after that, I'm printing that value, print value. So while running this code, yeah, we will get name AAA, age 34, location CCC, and data type is object. This is what we can create a dictionary in the series. And we can change the index too. I'm just copying this. Yeah. Here I'm changing index as uh, capital I. Yeah, I'm changing the index like this. So while running this, we will change the index as 1, that is 1, 2, 3. Like this ways it will get changed. This is the way we can create our own index. And if I need to create an index for d value means I just gave d value here and I'm running this code. So we will get 1, 2, 3 but with none values because the reason is I just create it is a dictionary, but I am giving the values as an object or list. So it won't accept that and it will display NaN, NaN, NaN. So this is the way we can create index, but it will show a none value for us. So I'm just recalling the series data frame. First, we need to install pandas by using pip install pandas command. The next thing is series is nothing but it is one of the type in pandas, that is it will display the column in the table format. The another one thing is series is only support a one dimensional array and we have to import pandas with the name PD. We can give any other name there. So just I am giving PD. So here I am creating one variable. Already we have said that series is a one dimensional array. So I am just creating one dimensional array. After that I am creating one variable and I am creating series frame by using pd dot series of function. So it will automatically create a table by using the values 1 to 3 along with the index 0, 1, 2, which is defaultly described in pandas. So after printing that, I'm just getting the values by using its index. And the next thing we have seen is how to change the index. The default index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. I'm just changing with x, y, z. I'm just printing that value so the index will get changed as x, y, z. And I'm getting the values by using my new index, that is my own index. Another one thing is we are creating one dictionary in the series data frame and I'm printing that and I'm creating index for that. This is the way we have to use series and these are all the types we are having in the series data frame. Series frame. The next one is data frame. Data frame in Python. What is data frame means? We have series and data frame in pandas. Series is one dimensional array, but the data frame is multi-dimensional array. We can give any type of arrays here. It will accept that. Just I'm creating one data frame now. Input pandas as PD. Just I'm creating data is equal to. How to create a data frame means we have to create one flower bracket and inside that I'm giving some values, that is name, colon, AAA, comma BBB, comma CCC. This is one array and the another one array is uh, blood group. So I'm just getting O, comma, A, comma, B. So this is the way we have to create a data frame. I'm just using the flower bracket. We are having two values here, that is name and blood group. For name, I'm creating one array along with the three values, and for blood group, I'm creating the three values along with the array. So how to print that means the same as series. I'm just creating one variable value. Inside that, I'm just giving pd dot data frame of data. So I'm just printing my value. Print value. I'm just running this code. Yeah, we will get name AAA, BBB, CCC and blood group OAB along with the index which is default index 0, 1, 2. This is the way we can create a data frame. So how to get the index value? We are using LOC keyword to get the index value. LOC function to get the index position value. So we are using the same data frame here. I'm just writing value dot LOC of 0. Instead of putting a direct value, we have to give LOC here. Yeah, in the place of 0, what we are having is AAA. I'm just running this code. So we will get name AAA and blood group 0, which is in the position 0. That is in the 0th position, we are having name AAA and blood group O. So it will print that name A and that group O along with the data type here we are using is object, that is string. So it is display the object. This is the way we have to get the index value. Yeah, we can range that. Just giving 0, comma 1. So by using this, we will get both 0 and first position. Just running this code. Okay, okay. Double square bracket. Yeah, we will get both the values, that is AAA and BBB, because 0th position we are having AAA and in the first position we are having BBB. To get that, we have to create two square brackets. Inside that, we have to mention the position which we need to get. So this is the way we have to get the index position by using LOC function. Okay, we can change the index value in this too. Changing index value. Yeah, how to do this means I'm just using the same variable value is equal to pd dot data frame of data, comma, as we have discussed in this series, that is index is equal to, I'm just creating one square bracket and I'm changing the values as index as 1 comma c comma y. So I'm changing the index to 1c and y. I'm just printing that value. Print value. So while running this code, it will print 1CY because our default index is 0 and 0, 1, 2. But I am changing the index as 1C2, so it will display that. Yeah, the same procedure to get the index value. That is by using the local function LOC for value dot LOC of, I'm just giving C here. So what value the C hold means BBBA. So while running this code, we will get BBB and A because that is the value that are present in the index C. So this is the way we have to create C. We have to create a index position. So these are all the basics of series and data frame, and we will discuss the remaining things in Pandas by next class.